Hello everyone, my name is Samuel Awuyemi. In this video, I'm going to show you secrets to mine billions of tap. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the secrets to mine billions or the secrets to get billions of TapSwap coins. So I'm going to show you how people get billions of TapSwap. Let's talk about these people. These people are the public figures or the celebrity that has a high numbers of followers on social media. I saw somebody that invited over 4,000 people or 5,000 people. Okay, let me say over 10,000 people on all his social media platform to only TapSwap. So once they invite a lot of people like 10,000, so like there are various coins now, so the person is going to earn that and is going to increase like that. And the first thing that they do is that they are going to under boost here, they are going to use tap boot and they are going to increase their multi-tap and energy limits and recharging speed to the highest level ever. They are going to increase everything, maybe like 100 or 50. Okay, the recharging speed it has its own maximum. For this multi-tap, I don't think maybe it has maximum, and the energy level they are going to increase everything. But how they really get this billion is that they invite a lot of people. So through their referral link, a lot of people sign up, which earn them a lot of coins as their referrals is anymore. So let's go to tax now. So that this tax now, they are going to complete this too. So there is under this league. So as you can see, this league contributed. So you can see now that somebody that has 1 billion, that means that the person is in Mythic. As you can see, that person will be in around Mythic, yeah. So that person is going to earn a lot from this league. To can see now, if this person is in Mythic, that means that the person has already qualified for 5 million TapSwap coins for Mythic. So and you can see that there's legendary, there's elite, there's grandmaster, and let's click on ref tax. So this is the main one that I'm talking about. This ref tax, assuming somebody invited 100,000 people, 100,000 friends, that means that if that person is not mining at all, the person is going to earn 100 million. So that is it. Apart from maybe their referrals maybe is mining or not, they are going to earn. And if all their referrals is earning every day, every time, so that means that the number of the coins that they are going to get is going to be bigger. It's going to be a way bigger than those that have no referrals. So that's all I just want you to know. So under this boost, they usually call something tap guru. So this tap guru, their own can be maybe 1,000 or 100,000. So I'm talking about people that have over 1 billion or over maybe 500 million TapSwap on their balance as their balance. So okay, let me click this tapping guru. You can see now that I'm going to be. You can see now that so this 60. Their own might be maybe 100,000 or 1 million or 500,000. As you can see now, just going to help me to increase my mining speed as I'm clicking on it now. It's going to help me to increase it now. So these are the ways that they usually mine in billions, and they will go again. So let's go again now. I'm going to tap it now again. I'm going to tap it. As you can see now, going to tap it again. They are going to tap it until it's finished. So they are going to go again and click on full tank. Once they click on full tank, going to be back, and they are going to click on boost again, as you can see like this. So they are going to earn a lot of. These are the method that you can use to get billions of TapSwap coins. I'm just going to make sure that you keep mining like this every day. I don't think there's maybe uh daily bonus or daily taxes there. I don't think so. It's not in this place. There's no daily tax. So these are the ways that you can mine billions of TapSwap. So guys, these are the ways, these are the secrets for you to mine billions of TapSwap. I'm going to see you in my next video. Make sure that you subscribe, turn on your bell notification, and make sure that you stay updated about TapSwap. I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.